Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can enter split screen on this device. First of all, select an app, for example Play Store. Then click Home button, select the other one, like Browser, and click Home button as well. Then open Background Apps by clicking on the left button over here and tap on the icon of an app. Select Split Screen and click on the other app. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!